Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of KakaoTalk and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.